Hi everyone and welcome back. I hope you'll join me today as I take you into my living room to work on my hutch and give it a new look for the winter months. Instead of a traditional winter display, I decided to see if I could make something that looked relatively good using a lot of my mid-century pieces, which I have been finding recently. I'm absolutely in love with them and I am thinking it would be fun to kind of group them together. So the first thing I'm going to do is go and place some of the larger objects on the shelves to kind of spread them out throughout the hutch area. This should give me a good indication of what I have and if I can build off of that or if I should start over. After placing all the large items, it looks like I've got enough that I can probably fill in with some smaller items and hopefully make something that will look relatively good. So then I went into my stash and pulled out some items that I thought would look nice with what I already have on the hutch. So let's see what we can do. So I'm going to work shelf by shelf and make my way around the hutch. And while I am decorating, I want to make sure that each of the shelves are relatively sparse. And in the fact that I don't want them very cluttered looking, I want them to be, open and streamlined looking. So let's go ahead and see if I can reach my goal.
May you always find your way to higher ground. May you always keep your head held up high. Pretty little thing, you're a diamond in the rough, shining from within. I can tell that you're tough. Just the sight of you when I'm at my weakest point makes a world of difference, so you make me strong. Pretty little thing, you're a diamond in the rough, shining from within. I can tell that you're tough. Ordering a cup of love, feel it rising up and above. You will always keep my heart and soul strong. Plant your seeds and watch them grow. The light will always know where to go. You will always keep my heart and soul strong. You're the first thing in the morning and the last. Baby, you're my future and you are my past. Pretty little thing, you're a diamond in the rough, shining from within. I can tell that you're tough. Ordering a cup of love, feel it rising up and above. You will always keep my heart and soul strong. Plant your seeds and watch them grow. The light will always know where to go. You will always keep my heart and soul strong.
And here is the finished look. It went together really quickly and I'm very happy with how it turned out. If you haven't already subscribed to my channel, I would love for you to do so and become part of my YouTube family. I enjoy sharing decorating videos like this and also thrift hauls, which I share every single Thursday. I've also started a second channel where I share all of my DIY projects. That is called Robin Johnson DIY, and I will link that down in the description box just in case you haven't been over to check that out. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. I had so much fun working on this new Hutch look. I think it turned out fabulous, and I would love to know what you guys think down in the comments. I hope you guys will have a fantastic day, and I will see you very soon in my next video. Bye now.